это реально ракета?
Ukrainian armed forces have fired a missile at the Russian army's military base located in Yurievka village near Mariupol city in eastern Donetsk region, Pyotr Andriushenko, advisor to the mayor of Mariupol, reported. The military base is located in the Yalta health complex. The incident took place on May 28. The strike is said to have been delivered by Storm Shadow missiles. The five-story base reportedly housed 500 soldiers. As a result of the strike, about 100 Russian invaders were killed and 400 others were injured. There were not enough ambulances to evacuate the injured. For this reason, Ural and Kamaz trucks have been used. The base also housed communication devices and radio-electronic warfare systems, which were disabled as a result of the strike.
Ну, честно, это было бы адекватно.
Гена. Вот, это Юрьевку ебанули. Пидорасы россияне, блядь. Прямом. А где их не ПВО? А чё они не работают? Нахуй они на море, когда ее играется в баскетбол?